Well. You can now jailbreak the latest iOS version with Unc0ver. So, as you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18.3.1 right now. Now go and open Safari, and you need to visit unc0ver.vip. O is a 0, so don't forget that. Here you need to press Jailbreak, and this will download a profile. On the pop-up, you need to click Allow, and then go back to Settings. See Profile downloaded? Press Install, enter your passcode if you have one, then Install, and then Done. Now, go to the home screen, and you should see the Unc0ver app. Let me open it. Here, click Jailbreak. And now, as you can see, guys, it is just jailbreaking my device. Here, we're going to press Respring. And what this will do is basically restart the device with Cydia. The phone restarted, so let's get in. And we did get the app right here, so be sure to try this out for yourself. Get the word out, because this is super cool. And now we can install all of our favorite jailbreak tweaks and all the cool stuff. Let's search for something. I found a really cool tweak called Tango that can change app icons, so let me install it. The installation is very quick and straightforward. Now, let's press Done and check if it installed successfully. Yes, it's fully installed. I hope you enjoyed this. If it worked for you, be sure to share it, and don't forget to subscribe.